You are watching Royal Support YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to use free net with BanglaLink SIM. With this trick you can get up to 100 MB every day. First go to Play Store and install my BanglaLink app. Now open this app. Click on this sign up option. Give your phone number and create an account. Give the OTP code to verify. Wait for 1 hour and you will receive 100 MB. You have to open this app every day for 1 minute to earn free data. If you like the video, subscribe this channel and turn the bell icon on. Thank you.